Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus. Now in today's class we take and discuss some important questions based on the topic algebraic identities, which is very important topic of for you and your upcoming exam. Okay. Now, so first of all, we will discuss some important algebraic identities of your syllabus, and after that we take and solve some important questions based on them. And you know that the some algebraic identities are a plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Second one is what? Minus b whole square is what? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. And we have already a square minus b square is a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket, and also we have a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in another bracket. This is a plus b. This is a plus b. This is also a very important algebraic identities, and also we have minus b whole cube. This is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b, and next one that is a cube plus b cube. This is also very important algebraic identities, a cube plus b cube, and its formula is a plus b in one bracket, and this is a square minus ab plus b square, and next is a cube minus b cube. This is a minus b in one bracket, and another bracket this is a square plus ab plus b square. So these are some very common algebraic identities, and there are so many questions based on these identities on your syllabus. Now we take two most important algebraic identities related to your syllabus. Let's see. Now, a very important algebraic identity is a plus b plus c whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is a very important algebra, or we can write as a square plus b square plus c square, and from these terms we take 2 as common, so we have ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, so this is a very important identity, a plus b plus c whole square. This is also a very important algebraic identities. Okay, dear students, now look. Last and very important algebraic identities, which is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus abc is equal to, okay, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus abc is equal to, in first bracket there is a plus b plus c in first bracket, and in second bracket this is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. This is a very important very important algebraic identities, like a plus b plus c in first bracket, and in another bracket this is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ca respectively. Okay, now A very important conditions related to that identity is what? Dear students, if the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0, okay, if the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then we get what? Look, then we get what? Look, if we put here that is 0, then we get what? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc whole equal to 0. Whole value is equal to what? 0. Whole value is equal to what? 0. Now we transfer minus 3abc that side, so we get a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3, we transfer that side, so we get 3abc. In this way, this is also a very important algebraic identities related to your topic. If the value of a plus b plus c is 0, if the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Then the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, dear student, this is one of the most important identity of your syllabus. Now, dear student, we take and solve some important questions based on these identity. Look, now look, if the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 9, if the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 9, if the value of a plus b plus c is equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 23, then find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Okay, we find the value of this expression. Now what I do? Now first of all we use the formula for this identity. So look, let's see its solution. Look, so first of all we have the values. We have a plus b plus c is equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus c is equal to 23. Suppose that, if we have the value a plus b plus c is equal to 9 and ab plus bc plus c is equal to 23, then we find the value of this expression. So first of all we write the formula of that identity. Since we know that, look, since we know that the value of the expression a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, we know that the value of the expression a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to This is a plus b plus c in first bracket, and in another bracket this is a square plus b square plus c square, and if we take minus as common, so we get ab plus bc plus c. So this is the identity. Okay, now look, we take equation number first. Now look, we have the value of a plus b plus c, we have the value of this expression, that is 9, and also we have the value ab plus bc plus ca, value of this expression we also have, but we don't have the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Now for that, what I do, since we know that a plus b plus c whole square is equal to, this is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus BCA. We have the given expressions. Now we put the value of A plus B plus C and the value of AB plus BC plus CA in this expression. So we get, look, A plus B plus C, the value A plus B plus C is what, 9. So here we write 9 square. The value of a square plus b square plus c, we find that, we write as it is, plus 2 into the value of ab plus bc plus ca is what, 23, is what, 23. Okay, now 9 9s are 81 is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. This is the very important. Okay, now from there we find the value of a square plus b square plus c square is, this is 81 minus 46. 81 minus 46. Now look, now we get as a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 81 minus 46 is what? Let's see. Here is 7 is left, 7 minus 4, that is 3 now. 35. Okay, this is 35. In this way, first of all, dear student, we find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, first of all, we find the value of a square plus b square plus c square as what? 35. 35. Okay, dear students. Now we put the values, all these values in equation first. Now look, thus the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c, that is 9, into a square plus b square plus c square, that is 35, minus the value of ab plus bc plus c, that is 23. 3. Now we simplify them. 9 into 5 minus 2, that is 2. 3 minus 2, that is 1. This is 108. Okay, so this is the required solution of the given questions. Okay, so dear friends, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. So please dear friends, do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now dear friends, we take and solve some important questions based on these topics. Let's see. Look, we take a very important question. If 3x plus 2 upon x, if 3x plus 2 upon x is equal to 7, is equal to what? 7, then find the value of then find 9x square minus 4 upon x square. 4 upon x square. This we find the value of these expressions. So this is a very easy question. Now let's see its solution. First of all, we write we have now look, 2 upon x is equal to 7. Now first of all, okay, now first of all we squaring we do their square. If we write a plus b into a minus b, okay, so we can write first of all, since we know first of all squaring, if we squaring both sides, so we get a square plus b square plus 2ab. We find that we get the value of a square plus 9x square plus 4 upon x square, but we find the value of this, and we can also write in this way 3x plus 2 upon x into 3x minus 2 upon x, 3x minus 2 upon x. But we just simplify. First of all, let's see, we squaring both sides. Now squaring both sides, we get now squaring both sides. So we have a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b equal to 49. Okay. Now so we get 9x square plus 4 upon x square is plus this is x cancel here, this is 12. Okay, is equal to 49. Now we find this is 49 minus 12, that is this is 9 minus 2 7, this is what is here, this is plus. Okay, thus in this way the value of 9x square plus 4 upon x square is what? 37. So in this way, dear students, you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important questions. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now we take some other important questions based on identity. Look, if x cube minus 1 upon x cube is equal to 14, then find x minus 1 upon x. Now let's see its solution. Since we have the formula a minus b whole cube is what? A cube minus b cube minus 3 ab in bracket a minus b. This is the formula, no? This formula is know that. So now we find the value of what? X minus 1 upon x whole cube. But we have the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube is equal to 14. Now if we put here, look, is equal to the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube is 14 minus x cancel to each other, that is 3 into this is x minus 1 upon x. Now look, we find the value of x minus 1 upon x. So in this way, dear students, we don't apply that formula. Now we apply the value of a cube plus b cube. So we don't simplify the given question using that way, because of here x minus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x whole cube is there also. So here we don't know the value of x minus, we find the value of x minus 1 upon x. So here there is no in this way there is some problem in that question. We don't find the value of x minus 1 upon x when we get this value using that identity. Okay, so now in that type of question you apply the value of a cube minus b cube, and you know that the formula for a cube minus b cube is what? A minus b in one bracket and in another bracket this is a square plus b square plus ab, x into 1 upon x. So x is cancelled to each other, so x minus 1 upon x, and here this is x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1. So using that identities you can solve that type of question. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of question, and after that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise. Thus, dear students, in today's class we take and solve some important questions. We discuss all the important identities related to your chapters, and we take and solve some important questions based on that identities. Now in next class, so first of all you revise and do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay, and after that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise. Now Dear student, in next class we take and discuss, solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise. Okay dear students, now thanks to all.